Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to tell you why I love print on demand. I love drawing, and if you're on this channel, you probably love drawing as well, right? Now, what if I told you that there is a way to practice the skill that you love and get paid for it, and there is no money up front, there is no risk? That is the beauty and the magic of print on demand. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome. My name is Tatiana Dennis, and here I share kawaii drawing tutorials and ways to monetize your art using print on demand. In fact, I'm going to run a free 3-day challenge where you will take your work all the way from concept through to execution and getting your first product listed for sale on Redbubble. If you would like to join, sign up at tatianadennis.com/challenge. Many years ago, before I did art, I remember being on an escalator in an airport, and there was a lady a few people ahead of me, and she had this duffel bag with really cute patterns and designs on it. And I saw it and I thought, wow, I want that backpack or whatever duffel bag. And even more so, I want to create stuff like that. This is back when I had a corporate job, but I still was already feeling this calling to do something more creative and create beauty. And when I saw that bag, it kind of clicked for me that it was like an anchor that said, this is the kind of stuff I want to create. I didn't know about kawaii. I didn't know anything. I took a sneaky photo of the bag so that I could then zoom in all the way and see the brand. And the brand was Tokidoki. So then I looked it up. It's an Italian design brand. It still goes strong, and I love their clothes and I keep buying them. So when I saw that, I said to myself, I want to do this. I want to do it my way in a little bit cuter, sweeter style. But it was like a light bulb moment. And guess what? Now I can. I don't need to invest tons and tons of money up front or have a huge team or produce these bags in my living room. No, because we have things like print-on-demand services. It is such an exciting time to be an artist. Now, let me tell you what print-on-demand is really quickly if you're not familiar with it. It's a service that produces t-shirts, iPhone cases, bags, what have you, mouse pads, where you upload your work and it gets printed on the product on demand, meaning it only gets printed when somebody buys it or when you order it. And if someone does happen to buy a product with your design on it, you get a commission of the sale. The service that I love to use personally is Redbubble. I find it easy to use. I find that their audience is very suited to kawaii. In fact, this t-shirt I'm wearing right now is from Redbubble. It's a perfect fit. And it was designed by one of my students, Natalia Hawthorne. Now, how meaningful is that? Another example, I got my iPhone case printed on Redbubble and I ordered it. And every time I look at it, it reminds me about my purpose, my creative calling. And it just gives me a good feeling. They also have children's clothes. So my daughter and I love wearing matching styles. And she's about to start kindy, so I'm designing a custom backpack for her. This is not a commercial for Redbubble. I have no affiliation with them, and I get no kickback from making this video. I just really, truly love it because it gives us artists an opportunity to bring our art, our creativity onto real life objects, usable objects. It is bringing art to life. And in the process, we have the opportunity to financially benefit from it. No more starving artists. No, thriving artists. This is what we're working on. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not an established artist. I don't have a name. I have nobody to buy my products. Why bother? Now, here's the thing about print on demand. It's a long game. You start uploading your work. You do good work. You're always growing. You don't have to pay to have your designs there. You do your thing. You create good art and keep learning and keep growing. And in time, you will have a bigger audience and people will begin to find your work. There is also the thing about optimizing your keywords so that if I'm there looking for a present for my daughter's friend, let's say, and I type in cute unicorn t-shirt, your work might come up and I might just buy it without ever knowing who you are or having a big name or anything like that. You might also be thinking, I'm not an illustrator with a fancy degree or years of experience. I don't know how to create drawings, but this is why you're on this channel and you're in my world. Drawing does not have to be difficult. Drawing is a learned skill. When you know the foundations, when you know how to read a drawing and see the shapes, you have enough skill to produce the iconic artworks that will work great for products. Let me show you my phone again. These are really, really simple drawings. These are really, let's say, 1, 2, and 3. So there's a milk carton and 2 different strawberries in a very iconic style, and then they're all just laid out in a pattern. So it's really, really simple. And I teach you week after week how to produce those drawings. Check out the work of Cindy Carlson. She literally had no drawing experience before she joined my world. She went through my course, the Kawaii Drawing Academy, and she's now a member at our Kawaii Drawing Club. And check out the work she's producing. Do you have a t-shirt design in mind? Does it excite you to think that your art could be placed on everyday usable objects like iPhone cases, pillows, bags, and someone might enjoy them and see them every day and smile? And does it sound good, to get paid for what you love, to give you motivation to create every day? If this resonates with you, then I invite you to join our 3-day challenge. It's absolutely free. On day 1, we will create a drawing. On day 2, we will lay it out as a product design. And on day 3, we'll upload it to Redbubble. So in just 3 days, you're going to have your first product listed for sale and available to the world. Join us at tatianadenis.com/challenge. And I am so excited to see you there. Bye for now.